powder puff tree, scientifically known as Barringtonia racemosa, is actually a small tree in the family Lecythidaceae, Brazil nut family, native to coastal areas of eastern Africa from Somalia to South Africa, through Madagascar and other Indian Ocean islands to tropical South Asia, Southeast Asia, southern China, the Ryukyu Islands of Japan, northern Australia, Micronesia and Polynesia. Some of the popular common names of the plants include Barringtonia, Brack-Water Mangrove, common Putat, fish killer tree, fish poison tree, fish poison wood, Freshwater Mangrove, Hippo Apple, powder puff tree, Putat, small-leaved Barringtonia and Wild Guava. The genus Barringtonia contains 56 species and is named after Daines Barrington, an 18th-century botanist, jurist and antiquary. The specific name racemosa refers to the long racemes on which the flowers and fruit are borne. B. Racemosa is the only indigenous species of this genus occurring in South Africa. 2 Asian species exist in cultivation in the Durban Botanic Gardens: B. asiatica and B. acutangula. It is a multi-purpose tree that is harvested from the wild for local use as a food, medicine and source of materials. It is occasionally planted as a roadside tree. Powder puff tree is a small, fast-growing, evergreen tree that grows about 4 to 8 meters high but can attain a height of 15 meters. The plant occurs primarily in primary and secondary forests in inundated flood plains on tidal river banks, or in mangrove swamp and estuarine localities. It is also found in undisturbed to slightly open, disturbed, mixed dipterocarp to sub-montane forests. The plant normally tolerates saline condition but does best in heavy clays, sandy loams or rich volcanic soils. It tolerates dry conditions but is intolerant of any frost. The plant has rounded crown, grayish-brown, smooth or fissured bark and spreading surface roots. Leaves are alternating, borne on glabrous, 2 to 15 mm long petioles, often clustered toward the end of branches. Leaf lamina is deep green, large, obovate oblong, 8 to 35 cm by 4 to 14 cm, with cuneate base, acute or acuminate apex and serrate crenulate margins. Flowers produced in pendant, terminal or axillary many-flowered racemes up to 60 to 100 cm long. The flowers exude a pungent, putrid yet faintly sweet odor. Flowers are white to pale pink, bisexual, formorous, sepals fused at base separate into 4 concave lobes, green-tinged pink, petals elliptic to oblong ovate, up to 3 by 1 cm, joined to staminal tube, stamens numerous with 3 to 3.5 cm long filaments, white or pinkish, forming a central mass, ovary 2 to 4 loculed with a red style. Fruit is ovoid cylindric, somewhat quadrangular with forages, 5 to 9 by 3 to 4 cm, with green-tinged purplish ripening to purplish-red, pericarp with persistent calyx remnants and style. Each fruit has a large, ovoid, 2 or 3 cm seed surrounded by the fibrous, spongy flesh. Seeds are aromatic. The powder puff tree is a protected tree in South Africa. Please like, share and subscribe.